Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking in the world of AI and video creation. Runway has just released its highly anticipated Gen-3 alpha model, and it's setting a new standard for AI-generated video content. Since its inception, Runway has focused on creating realistic, high-quality AI-powered video models. They made waves with Gen-1 in February 2023 and followed up with Gen-2 in June of the same year. But with competitors like OpenAI's unreleased Sora model and Luma AI's Dream Machine on the horizon, the pressure was on for Runway to innovate even further. And innovate they did. Introducing Gen-3 Alpha, a revolutionary leap in AI video technology. This new model empowers content creators to produce high-quality, realistic videos up to 10 seconds in length with unprecedented control over emotional expressions, camera movements, and complex scene transitions. One of the standout features of Gen-3 Alpha is its ability to transform simple text prompts into visually stunning video content. Imagine typing out your ideas and watching them come to life in seconds. A 5-second clip can be produced in just 45 seconds, and a 10-second clip in only 90 seconds. The realism is where Gen-3 Alpha truly shines. The leap in quality from Gen-2 is remarkable, especially in depicting human subjects. The AI crafts videos where people look and behave with uncanny realism, displaying a wide range of emotions and actions that closely mimic real-life interactions. Another area where Gen-3 Alpha excels is the level of control it offers users. You can specify exact moments for scene transitions and precisely position elements within each frame. This control allows for a level of customization that was previously unattainable with AI video generators. Gen-3 Alpha is designed to work seamlessly with Runway's entire suite of creative tools. From text to video and image to video conversions to image generation, Gen-3 Alpha fits perfectly into a comprehensive workflow that caters to diverse creative needs. This technology is not just for professionals. Its accessibility means that even individuals and small businesses can create professional quality content without expensive equipment or large production teams. The future of content creation is here, and it's more inclusive than ever. Runway's Gen-3 Alpha is generating significant buzz in the AI community. While the exact launch date remains undisclosed, impressive demo videos are already available on Runway's website and social media. Paying subscribers will get access within days, with plans starting at $15 monthly or $144 annually. Runway's Gen-3 Alpha marks a significant milestone in AI-generated video content. Its lifelike realism, precise control, versatile integration, and enhanced understanding set a new standard for AI-assisted creativity. We can't wait to see how this technology evolves and impacts various industries. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.